To send money from Canada to Nigeria, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure your transaction is secure, efficient, and cost-effective. The first step is to choose a reliable money transfer service that operates in both Canada and Nigeria. Some popular options include banks, money transfer companies, and online services. When selecting a service, consider factors such as transfer fees, exchange rates, and delivery speed. You can compare rates and fees on the websites of these services or visit their branches in person. It is essential to read reviews and check the credibility of the service to avoid scams. Once you have chosen a service, the next step is to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes your identification, the recipient's name and address, and their bank account details if you are transferring money directly to their account. You then need to create an account with the chosen service if you do not already have one. This usually involves providing personal and identification details, and in some cases, verifying your account through a confirmation email or phone call. After your account is set up, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. The service will then provide you with a quote, including the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming, as this will ensure that the money is sent to the correct recipient and that you are aware of all the costs involved. Upon confirmation, the service will process the transaction, and the recipient will receive the money according to the delivery speed you chose. It is crucial to keep the transaction reference number for your records and to track the status of the transfer. Finally, inform the recipient about the transfer and provide them with the necessary details to receive the money. If you are using a bank transfer, the recipient will typically need to visit their bank to collect the money or wait for it to be deposited into their account. By following these steps and choosing a reliable service, you can send money from Canada to Nigeria efficiently and securely. Always ensure to stay informed about the latest regulations and exchange rates to get the best value for your money.